Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be visiting some historic areas of Istanbul. Now we are in the Archeological Park, which is one of the World Heritage Sites. Here, this structure is called the Serpent Column. And this is another structure. Which is called the Obelisk of Theodosius. So please take your time and read the history. You can pause the video and continue when you're done reading. Not so far from this place is also a museum. The Hagia Sophia of the Blue Mosque is called. And just to my right is the Blue Mosque. Blue Mosque is a very famous mosque. If you are visiting Turkey, you have to visit the Blue Mosque. Like if you don't visit the Blue Mosque, I don't know what else you want to see. Because that's one of the main attractions. Okay, when you're visiting here, there's a WC in case you're pressed, so you don't have to think about the possibility. Now we're just going to walk around the park. There are shops where they sell different items. Yeah, this is a Brune. It's actually a Deutsch Brune. I can't remember what Brune is in English, sorry. But this is how it looks, and it is also significant. Now we are taking a walk around. These are the shops. Now we are entering the Blue Mosque. The Blue Mosque. I'm very excited because I've seen this online, and it's also called the Sultanahmet Mosque, and the pictures are beautiful. So I can't wait to experience it. I can't wait to have a feel of what inside looks like. So there are rules when you're coming to the mosque. Women have to dress modest and cover their hair. Men have to wear something longer for trousers. But because we are tourists and the majority of the people are wearing shorts because it's hot, I think there's concession for those who are wearing knee-length shorts. But those who are not wearing knee-length shorts have to wear, they are given something to cover their knees, you know. So this is the outer view of the mosque. We had to wait for some time because prayer was going on. I think at intervals prayers goes on. So this is the long queue. We are finally in.
It's a very impressive building.
So if you are visiting the Blue Mosque, endeavor to come with your shawl, but if you don't have, they're going to give you one, but it's advisable so you don't have to share what others have used. I think I like it. It looks nice. So this is the boundary. You can't go beyond this boundary. Visitors are not allowed, so this is for the people who are praying, and that's how it looks. So is it? It's beautiful, right? Yeah, I know. And this is it. Let me show you the roof. And we also have to remove our shoes. So everybody has to remove their shoes. Nobody's wearing shoes in there. Nice. So that is the exit. So you see a lot of people holding the shoes in their hands, or you drop it somewhere if you like. So you can also get free Quran, free literature, so to say. So they have the Quran in different languages. This is in Czech, this is in Chinese, this is in Japanese, and this is in Korean. And D is in Deutsch, the Koran und die Bibel. Italian, in different languages. So I think you can take one. Now we are done, we are out and walking around the other part of the park. So you see, this is the Sultanahmet Mosque. You can pause the video to read. And here, people are sitting, some are eating, some are drinking, tourists are taking pictures. And that is the mosque. It's night time. And trust me, this is beautiful. And as it's getting dark, so this is the view of the Blue Mosque at night. Beautiful, huh? Yeah. So, after a long day, it's time to eat dinner. So the restaurant we were in had the view from the top. It was like a rooftop restaurant, so we could see the mosque from there.